Hey guys, it's Riley here. Today I'm going to be making slime and and I have this recipe on how to make fluffy slime. And I'm going to make pink. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do, where is my glue? I'm not.
Oh my gosh, Kevin, this slime is so... What did he put in this?
Is add some glue.
Riley?
I don't know if there's any glue left in here.
Riley, what did you put in this?
I don't know. And I ran out of glue, so this is all I got.
You're not sitting with me. It's okay.
I had to get a clear bowl so you guys could see. I don't know if you could see that. There it goes. Contact solution in the shaving cream and the cornstarch. Or taken, in the food coloring. Don't need to be in the screen. Okay, so I've got all the glue that would come out. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to add cornstarch. Now this is a fluffy slime recipe. You do not have to add cornstarch. That is totally your decision, but I'm going to add cornstarch. Okay, guys. I'm just drinking water, by the way. Hi. I have a cut from blowing up balloons for Riley's birthday. Did I just get rid of my? Okay. And I'm trying to make a pink, so I'm gonna just do one drop of red for now, because this red is really vibrant. This probably wasn't enough to make pink. That was probably too much. Yeah, that was too much to make pink. It doesn't look pink. It looks pink on the camera, but it's really red. So I'm gonna add more shaving cream and then add more if I need any. I'm running out of shaving cream. There we go. So my slime is balloon slime. I'm making balloon fluffy slime, which balloon slime is easy to make. You just make a regular fluffy slime. So that's what I'm gonna do. But you had to add cornstarch like I did. So this is the pink that I get, and it's really pretty.
Is this old? Yeah.
So this is baking soda. JoJo? Yeah. No, she didn't. Chloe did. No. Let me show you guys something. I'm gonna insert a clip from earlier when I was playing with the yellow slime and I didn't know what to do, and that's why we were doing this. You guys, so I'm bored. I don't know what to do. look up slime recipes, probably. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, if you don't see, I'm on Google. Oh, it won't show you. Come on. I'm on Google. Now we're gonna search Fluffy. Sloan. Okay. Here's one. Okay. Saline solution, baking soda, cornstarch, Elmer's glue, food coloring optional, and shaping cream. I'm gonna do this one. Okay, so okay. Well, let's go make fluffy slime. Okay, guys. Hopefully you've seen that clip of me. So yeah. Oh, I need this. I wanted a little pinker. I'm going for like a hot pink. And I'm gonna add some content. So there's dried up slime from the yellow slime. If you've seen that clip, hopefully you've seen that clip. I don't know if I'm gonna remember to insert it, but when I edit this video, I'm probably gonna remember. So, yeah. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add. So now I'm going to show you how this is balloon slime. It's really pretty pink. I'm glad the color turned out like that. So let me show you how it's balloon slime. So what you need to do balloon slime is a straw. Now watch what you do. Peace. Love you guys. Remember, I love you guys, and remember to love each other. Peace. Comment, like, and subscribe.